The man, Nigerian Army, told us they have don't finally come outside, come talk. Who be that? Gēntle de Yah00. My people, things are happening. The internet don't scatter. Everybody don't dey ask wetin can happen. The person where they come outside publicly, where they call operational Dogacho, whatever they call themselves. Yes, they say that they have captured Gēntle and Angel Makeup along the last side. They buy Angel Makeup that Gēntle sustained many injury. Blah 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 blah. Gēntle don't come outside. They can't talk. Say nothing do am. Abeg, may I play this video more na watch, and they can't expose people. We be like say they give am. Yeah, but that be poison. But fortunately, nothing do am. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
Hi, sir. And also, I want to appreciate Biafrans. Monday better Monday got off for in which I know, and that from the results. Because I know that in any atom of something like this, there must be the ones that will hate you, and there must be the one that like you. So I want to tell Biafrans today that the poison that we ate, we have succeeded. We are alive today. And that's why I'm coming up, because I believe that when the Truth is Power was telling Biafrans, addressing Biafrans, that very soon as possible that I will come up to address Biafrans, I believe that many couldn't believe it. Even when Makeup himself came up with voice and later made a broadcast, live broadcast, people doubted it. On my own, many might doubt it, because for those that have been spreading the news that I am a dead person, that all of us B44 Owam with the triple generals, with some of the major generals in 40 state of Biafra that ate the poison together with us. I know today that many could believe, many may not believe. Many may say AI. No, this is me, Gēntle de Yah00, Onyezoku in Biafra land. We are not you. Here am I, and this place is a place I got my recovering. And here am I today, which I will mention name. But I strongly believe that the God in heaven and the gods of the land must bless the Odogu that God used to heal me and also heal other generals. You get? So I want to appreciate him one more time for his efforts. And I want Biafrans to appreciate our people in Calabar, because we are everywhere. I don't want to talk much on that. Now, I want to say this. Ima, asi na onye chọrọ igbu nwa nkịta ya, ọ chọọ aja aha, were ba nwa nkịta ya tupu ọ chụọ ya ka o gbuo. Man, I thank God, this one made known to all Biafrans. I was in a sick bed when they threw allegation on me. When I was struggling to survive for the poison that they gave to us by the people of the people, which I am going to narrate the story on my next coming back to address the entire world. So I just came up today with few things to tell Biafrans for them to celebrate that all their prayers has been answered, and Biafra is here, whether they like it or not. That Biafra is here, and also to debunk the 3 men that was shot to death, that they throw the allegation that they said that it's me. I am not the one, and I am still repeating myself. I am not the one that killed the 3 people. And I want Biafrans to investigate this thing that I'm saying properly, because this has been a very big problem that we are having. Actually, the Kobo boys caught one guy that has a mark with 2 of his friends. They shot 3 of them to death, throwing allegation on the other boy that he is my man, he's one of my guys. That is why they killed him. That is why they killed him. That is why they killed the 3 men. And they tag my voice on that video. What evidence do they have? Someone that is struggling to survive in a sick bed, and they are still throwing allegation on somebody that can't even talk. My breathing then was so critical, but they were still throwing allegation on top of my head. So I came up today the same way I debunked the incident that happened at Izog, and I am still saying it today and tomorrow. I am not involved, and I am not included, and I don't know where they plan it, I don't know how they plan it, and I don't know the people that did the massacre in Ármy Izog. Till today, I am still saying it. Oh, na marakwa ihe banyere ihe Izog massacre. Biafra. I am still taking this oath. But it's quite unfortunate that this idiot that calls himself Ebe Kuodike Aririakaria is still deceiving the people of Ármy Izog today. I am not surprised. I am not surprised, but Ubochi Akụkọ Oya Dịka Amara Juabo and Agbacha also I agree mine. That one, by the way. Secondly, please, Finland, this one is coming directly to your table. I believe that by now, you people would have find out all the things that has happening. Now they throw allegation that Simon Ekpan was the one that commenced sit at home. Nnamdi Kanu was the one that commenced sit at home. Finland, please release Simon Ekpan before it will be too late for you people. And I want the international community to investigate Finland properly. Because I strongly believe that Finland government, the Finnish government, has a very concrete agreement, a planned deal with Nigerian government. That business centers area that calls themselves a country. Your own citizen that you know too well, that have been a military, a former military in your own country. Your own citizens that is into politics in Finland, you know too well, because of money. Didn't you think very well? The oil that they are using to fight against Biafrans, who's people that have it? Can't you reason? Don't you believe that tomorrow we might go into deal with you tomorrow because of the oil? Okay, in that business country that calls themselves a Nigeria, there is a gold in the north. And the Boko Haram, Iswam, ISIS, they occupy that area by all those caliphates. And just because of the oil we have in that land, southeast, everyone is making use of it. Biafrans, can't we reason? Igbos, can't we reason? Even if I thought you say you are not a Biafran, thank God we all are Igbos. But Igbos, can't we reason? Can't we come to our normal senses? What is our problem? Why we are why we are behaving as if we have the brain? Why we don't have the brain? Why can't we come together? The time is now. Let Igbos come together. Let us fight this fight once and for all. Finland, I am alive. Remember that Nigerian government have come to you people. They have been telling you people since that they have caught Gēntle de Yah00, that I have vomited a lot of atrocities committed by the Simon Ekpan, your citizen. Now here am I. Where are the truths? Where are the truths? Where the truth is? The truth, where is the truth? These are the country you are having a deal with, planned deal with. These are the same country that are using you to jail your own citizen. Ale, stop. Can't you reason? I thought you said you are a wise man. Release your citizen. Release Simon Ekpan. He did nothing to these people. I am alive. I am not dead. I am not in their dungeon. I am not in their dungeon. They cannot hold me. They can't hold me. They can't tamper me. I am above them. I am above them. Rather, I will be the one to hold them. They cannot hold me. They can't hold me. Who they think they are? If not because of the longer throat of our people. If it's not because of our own people. Who is Nigeria to tamper Biafrans? Biafrans, please. Igbos, let us come together. Let us reason. I come in peace this year, 2026. Please let us understand ourselves. Even if I have offended you, all Biafrans at large, I am pleading. Both home and abroad, I am pleading if I have offended you in anywhere. Because everyone has his or her own gift. I have my own gift. And that my own gift was planted to me by the Creator to fight this battle. Why can't we join hands together? What have you been benefiting from Nigeria? What have you been benefiting from all this Fulani Caliphate? Just to transform our land. Just to turn our land to Islamic nation. Is that all you want? No, it can never work. And by the power bestowed upon me by my master, Triple General, all the whole commanders in 40 states of Biafra, listen very carefully. Anywhere you see an Igbo man practicing or being a full member of Islam in Igbo land, deal with that person. Don't deal with that person and look back. Because they have killed us enough. They have slaughtered Christians enough. We only have 3 major worship in Igbo land. 1, Jewish. Secondly, we accept Christian. But we know that Christian is a thing that they brought to us. Just to use it and deceive us. We accept it. 3, our culture. Our Delala. That these are the 3 major worshippers that we have in this Igbo land. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. Yeah, it's out. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. They thought they have killed us so that they can be able to establish all their goals, all their plans in Biafra land. You people have never killed us, so when I never finish our junior ones, the little ones, talk less of touching the grown-up ones before getting to us. Oh, John Atokun, we are still alive. Then for you, Udele, I know you don't have shame. You don't have shame on you. You carried the news. You were the one that told the world, the entire world, the Biafras at large, that you confirmed from your rightful source that Gēntle is dead. I had it and I kept it on my story, on my book. Now you don't have shame. You came down to Owerri, you were hiding yourself, doing video. After you left Owerri to Abuja, to your father's land, you now play the video. You now posted the video. Why do you insult? You say you are a man. Show up yourself. Come down, free yourself, move around. At least in Northeast, I know that I'm not in Imo State, Anambra, Abia State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State. But at least I am a free man in Igbo land. I can move around. I can move wherever I like, wherever I choose to move. Why are you hiding yourself? Stop it. So please and please, Finland, Finnish government, just if you know a way you can use something, cover your face and do the needful. Do fast and cover your face and do the needful. Release your citizen. Look at the kind of country you are doing plan deal with. You are dealing with a people that calls themselves a country with a carton of lying, with a bunch of propaganda. These are the people you are dealing with. International community, the world leaders, Donald J. Trump, please remember that it was after Nnamdi Kanu broadcast about Christian genocide in Nigeria. That was when he became enemy to the Northerners. Now Northerners have seen that they can never fight the fight all alone. They came up with their meeting. After the meeting, they came up fully on the line. Tell us full time that there is no any tribe that can win Igbos except you use Igbo against Igbo. And this is what they are doing. This is how Asari Dokubo was adopted by their business center called a country, Nigeria. And they give Asari Dokubo, the pig, they give him the contract to start slaughtering Igbo youth, to start killing Igbo youth. Now Asari the Kobo boys planted his men, and his men was carrying out the mission, killing our youth, tagging it to us that we are the one killing our own people. Are we mad? Are we crazy? Are we running mad? Is there anything running with me or with all the men on ground? We'll bring a gun like this, we shoot our own people. We are not fighting our people. We are to protect life and properties of our people. And I am still standing strong saying it, that we are not against our people and we can never be against them. Yes. Please look into what is happening in this land. Asari Dokobo Boys is the president terrorist in Igbo land. We are not a terrorist and we can never be a terrorist on our own land. How many churches have we sent ablaze? How many church goers that have you adopted? How many school people that have you adopted? How many schools have you set ablaze? How these people are tagging us, calling us terrorists? Why they are over there in the north painting the men terrorists, giving them a guy named nickname bandits? The men terrorists in Nigeria that are terrorizing the country, they are robbing them, painting them. Shekigumi, the head terrorists are free, walking around. Reintegrated them into the military, and it is all those terrorists that they reintegrated in the society. They are the ones that we are fighting. They are the ones we are fighting against. How can you bring a terrorist, match them to the military? Match them to the military, and you call yourself for a country, and you took our own men that is inside the military to Sambisa forest. When you get there, you order your Boko Haram to kill them, to slaughter them. You command them not to shoot the terrorists. Then on top of it, you carry the Boko Haram, the Iswam in uniform. You clothed with the military uniform. You take them down to the southeast, and they'll be slaughtering our mother, our daddy, pursuing our people from the farmland. Are you expecting us to keep quiet, to fold our hands? We said no to that. It can never happen. They can never Islamize our own unit. Being the southeast is undoable. They can never try it. We are still standing strong to protect the motherland, and we are only protecting the motherland. That is all. That is why our leaders are not speaking out. That is why when you talk, they can never say anything. Rather, they will still order the terrorists in uniform to go and kill their own brothers, to go and kill their own people. Now look at what Soludo is doing in Anambra State. What business Soludo has to order somebody that owns his own shop, that he owns his own self, that is running his own business on his own way. Soludo, since you were governor of CBN, and you dropped from the governor of CBN, Soludo, what have you done in Anambra? Can't you reason? Can't you think? And 4 days ago, you had a meeting with the Fulani Caliphate at Enugu. They have instructed you on how you will carry the mission to stop the sit at home, while our own man, our own brother, our own father, our own everything is there in the hands of Fulani Caliphate in Sokoto. Soludo, and you are ordering your people to start business. Look at Sunday Boho walking freely. Look at Shekigumi, the men bandit, the men criminal, the men kidnapper that have come up online in live, telling you that IPOB is killing their men, military men. They are the same terrorists in uniform. That all this wants to kidnapping. That all this wants to kidnapping is just ordinary kidnapping, adopting, making money to use it for what? To use it and buy more ammunition. Are you expecting us not to talk? We must keep on talking. We must keep on fighting. We must keep on pushing. And we can never ever allow the terrorists in uniform to keep on killing our people. It can never happen. For you, Udele, your cup has full. I really appreciate Chukwu Okike Abiamada. Since I started this movement, I never mentioned your name for once. Even when you were at the prison, people were talking. I kept quiet. I don't talk about you. I was even picturing you. I started with Udele. Udele I meant was second to Sapele. Are you a second to Sapele? The second to Sapele was Udele. And I mentioned the atrocities that we are committing, both in Anambra. I met them one-on-one. I talked to them, I spoke to them at Ezinifite. By the time they have been kidnapping at Ezinifite. Ask questions, they will tell you. I was the person. If I lie, make I know be alive and see Biafra. I was the person that stopped the kidnapping at Ezinifite, Anambra. Down to Akwi. I was the person that stopped it, which it was Asari Dokobo. I mean, it was a Sapele man that was doing that one then. When the Asari Dokobo have never taken up the contract. I stopped it because I met them one-on-one. I jammed them one midnight hour. We talk as man to man. I asked them why. Why Sapele is sending you people for a kind of mission like this? Kidnapping people, setting houses ablaze. It is only God. And he have already started saying my matter. He has already started defending me. Now Udele. Since that time, I mentioned Udele, which I don't know that your name is Udele. I don't know who you are. You just started ranting around. Collecting money from the Janjaweed, Flani Janjaweed, to threaten your own people. You are very, very stupid and you must be stupid. If you're a Fabara, ma kogo Fabara lishi today. If you're you can go ripu. You can go ripu. Genwa can go ripu detrola, ezokwa ono. Because of money. Makele rata, you want help. You run out of money. You run out because of money. You can get ega nondo boy puru landwa. Ega mu like this girl nondo le lo mo ge. La yo mu to come, you will not see that. Jovika, she a pastor in US. Jovika, you are not a pastor, you are 4110, 419, 10, 12, 13. You are an evil man. You people thought that you people have killed me. I am unbeatable. I am undefeatable. You can't kill me. You can't defeat me. When I say when I be king of the game, why when I know nothing? Stupid elements. I did nothing to you people, and that is why I'm living strong. I am strong today. And I have come once again to deliver, to start where I stopped, to deliver my people. Any them ability men kojo. Allah Biafra I upon them that day. Any them ability make kidnapping, like this struggle, Allah Biafra I upon them. Any them ability stop moto les rigoshi, Allah Biafra I upon them. That is me for you. But you see, for you can't go ripu. You will die a miserable death. You see, for you, Jovika, you will die a miserable death. Even Ozugi self, I'm actually US Bulata Alibo. Oh, one for Kigweke. Do you think that I don't know you? One for Kigweke. I know you, I know your local government, I know your old house. Ebe Kwodi Karia. You are not from Arondi Zog. You are not from Okigwe Elugie, though you are from Okigwe zone. I don't want to mention your Elugie for you not to be carried away. But I know you, I know your house, I know everything about you. But let me tell you, if you want to confirm what I'm saying, Ebe Kwodi Karia, if you want to confirm, come no any atom of attack from Abobo, Unu, Eklemola, Obletiti Abobo, Nozi Arondi Zog. Obletiti Abobo, Akwaya was Arondi Zog. No problem, a time will come when everything, when history will tell itself, calm down, don't rush things. Wagi si na go away be kuo arakaria, ejere phone nam de kalo, ejere phone ka. We don't talk much. I know that now more mention on names just to promote all of you because you people are buggers, stupid elements. We think that where dada loso. No problem. Jisenika, obochenta ya tulo waranji. Ika agwụkwala onye o. Maka na ọgbacha bụ mgbe onye jidere. Ike agwụla onye. Onye iberibe. Look at how you are moving around. Propagandering. Ndị oshi. Anapesi ụmụ mmadụ ego necessarily. Ị na-ekpe ebe ikpe eze. Who do you drop at ebe ikpe eze? Mulago no buruburu Imo State. Only berry, bonny honey. Stupid human being. Radio, that's your radio house in Lagos. Try me. If you want to believe, let me hear Pakampo attack from above. I will visit you. May visit you. Meshirugoji, Ega Nojim. Ya Nojim. What the Ebuboli la un lebom. La quoi? What the qualifier bara? Ebuboli la un lebom. Oh, na mo if I chuko current as a winly la un kukam nema. Chuko kabia masinge. We're on. Let them. Man of Kolano we fala Biafra. Man, I won't. Yedo ta ade no we bubokale bo wanke mado. Nna mbono ndo se bo muhele ebu nwata na emema ade ebu nwata. Asimo lele ilu unu ha. Ko unu ebe unu bidoro ebe unu kwụsịrị. Wela arụ otu a n'ebe m nọ. Asimo lile ejala we zere mmiri leke. Unu ga-ejala zere mmiri lore la afala kwala na ụbọchị la no. Akụchi ya mia. Dear France, I greet you all. Udo kendam dịrị unu. Ya wozi si ka m wetara unu n'ụbọchị taa. Ka mmekwa ka unu mara na anyị nchala ile na ya. And then Namukunu Ganokwa from here today, being 28th of January 2026. Eke market. Makande yashin all AI. All Gēntle de life and direct. Owoli felema. Mbade ebumbo. All bullet na what. And that mother abo. I will be a France. There is something that made us to be a Biafra. And we had Urundi Igbo. And we had Urundi Igbo. Owo kwile ka ya put on the air. We cool. Kama na otu ayom na yo. Onye obula major bench we major one for Biafra. Asingebahara, let Igbos come together. Kaichiko no ako no chiko ni shon, we come in peace. Well, logo de rai, because ogo abo ogo fonya. Kai mepe na anyanye yasa, leha ne maila la Lagos, leha ne maila Lugausa, leha ne ma even na baekwa. Due to all these people for now, which are Islamic. All of them were Muslim tickets, Kalileji. All of the if you don't belong to Muslim today, you can never achieve anything. You make it by in any sect. So it's a very big problem to us. Yeah? I am right. Why Muslim alaba ni men Igbo Muslim. I don't have much to say than to say God bless all Biafrans all over the world. At least Okigwe is come today is made by me. Aneme Aurono. Okigwe is come today. Is led by me, not by the hope. Was of them. Hope women are going to get against it. Indile bugindile with your governance. We are royal. I got to all those evil ones collecting money, coming to you. They know where we can attack these people. We get them. We bring their life. We bring their corpse. Go. You pack money and give to them. Now look at all the whole houses in Okigwe. Since you became governor, 7 to 8 years now, what have you done in Okigwe? Which I was telling you, calm down. I don't want you fuel with I don't want you with the fuel. I don't want you with the fuel. Onye jeweri je ojerubebe on ejeli je gana agba. You get? And we can never run tire. We can never go tire until we achieve our goal. You see Biafra. Biafra is here. Finnish government release Simon Ekpan. Nigerian government releasing them the car before it will be too late for you people. I don't have much to say. I am still coming up very soon.
Now people, don't be smart, you know. Now so we'll see am, and I will say more bring and come show. Now, know the truth and the lie where they inside. Share this video.